Welcome to this baking lesson. Today we will learn how to prepare delicious chocolate eclair using choux pastry filled with a rich vanilla cream and topped with a smooth chocolate glaze. Follow these detailed systematic steps to create a perfect French pastry. Required equipment and utensils. Medium saucepan for preparing choux pastry and melting chocolate. Mixing bowls for mixing pudding, whipped cream and preparing filling. Wooden spoon for stirring the choux pastry. Electric mixer for whipping the cream and incorporating sugar. Pastry bag with number 10 tip for tipping the choux pastry onto the baking sheet. Cookie sheet for baking the eclairs. Wire racks for cooling the eclairs after baking. Sharp knife for cutting the eclairs to add the filling. Spatula for spreading or drizzling the chocolate toppings. Measuring cups and spoons for measuring ingredients accurately. Oven for baking the eclairs. Ingredients for chocolate eclairs. Choux pastry ingredients. Water 250 milliliters. Butter 125 grams, plain flour 250 grams, salt a teaspoon, large eggs 4. Filling ingredients: cold milk 2.5 cups, instant vanilla pudding mix 1 packet, heavy cream 1 cup, icing sugar 1/4 cup, vanilla extract 1 teaspoon. Chocolate topping ingredients: melted chocolate 200 milliliters.
Step 1. Mise en place: scaling and organizing. First, measure and set out all your ingredients and tools. Precision is key. Measure 250 milliliters of water, measure 125 grams of butter, measure 250 grams of plain flour, measure 1/4 teaspoon of salt, Step 2. Make the choux pastry. In a medium saucepan, combine water and butter. Bring to a rolling boil, then remove from heat. Stir in flour and salt all at once, then return to low heat. Stir vigorously until the dough moves away from the pan sides and forms a smooth ball. This cooking step dries the dough and develops the starch structure needed for the rise. Step 3. Incorporate eggs. Let the dough cool for 2 minutes to avoid cooking the eggs. Beat in the 4 large eggs for the pastry, one at a time, fully incorporating each before adding the next. The dough should be shiny and pipeable, holding soft peaks. Eggs provide moisture, structure, and lift. Step 4. Preheat and prepare baking sheet. Preheat your oven to 230 degrees Celsius or 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a cookie sheet with a parchment paper. Proper oven heat and a non-stick surface ensure the eclairs puff up and release easily. Step 5. Pipe and bake eclairs. Fit a pastry bag with a number 10 tip and pipe of 1.5 by 4 inch strips, spaced 2 inches apart. Bake at 230 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Steam helps them rise, then lower to 165 degrees Celsius or 330 degrees Fahrenheit. And bake 20 minutes more until golden and hollow when tapped. Step 6. Cool the shells. Transfer eclairs to a wire rack to cool completely. Cooling sets the interior and prevents condensation, ensuring the shells stay crisp when filled. Step 7. Prepare vanilla cream filling. In a mixing bowl, whisk the vanilla pudding mix into cold milk per packet instructions until thick. In another bowl, whip heavy cream with icing sugar and vanilla extract to soft peaks. Gently fold the whipped cream into pudding base for a light, airy pastry cream. Step 8. Fill the eclairs. Slice each shell lengthwise or poke underneath and pipe in the cream until shells are nicely puffed. Even filling ensures each bite is creamy and balanced. Step 9. Chocolate glaze. In a clean saucepan over low heat, melt 200 milliliter chocolate with 2 tablespoons of butter and quarter a cup of icing sugar, stirring consistently until smooth and glossy. Let it cool slightly to thicken for easier glazing. Step 10. Glaze and serve. Dip the tops of each eclair into the warm glaze or drizzle with a spatula. Allow the glaze to set for 5 minutes, then refrigerate until serving. Serve chilled or at room temperature for a decadent finish.